Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fascinating piece of tech that merges cryptocurrency mining with everyday utility. The NMTV154, a 1.54-inch 32 Spanish pesetas TFT Bitcoin solo lottery miner and smart desktop clock. At first glance, it may look like just a cute little gadget, but under the hood, this device packs some serious capability for crypto enthusiasts and tech hobbyists alike. The NMTV154 is powered by an ESP32 D0 chip, delivering a hash rate of 1060 kHz per second, which is about 20 times faster than the standard nerd miners that operate around 55 kHz per second. What makes this particularly interesting is its optimized firmware that claims to increase the odds of winning in Bitcoin lotteries by up to 2000%. The device doesn't require an external computer to run, as it's designed to operate standalone. You just plug it in, connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth Low Energy, input your Bitcoin or Dogecoin address, and it's ready to start mining. But the NMTV154 isn't just about crypto mining. It doubles as a smart desktop clock, featuring a 240 by 240 pixel display. The interface allows you to toggle easily between mining stats and time display using a simple touch button. The compact dimensions of 45 by 35 by 40 mm make it stylish enough to sit on your desk, bedside table, or even in your office without taking up much space. Its low power operation, running on just 5 volts, ensures it can run 24/7 without significantly increasing your electricity bill. Durability is another strong point. The NMTV154 is designed to handle temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees. This makes it suitable for various environments. The internal 520 kilobytes SRAM and the energy-efficient 32 Spanish pesetas D0 chip contribute to stable performance over extended periods. For those interested in scaling their setup, the miner is cluster-ready. Using NM controller software, you can manage multiple NMTV devices or other compatible miners from a single dashboard. Monitor hash rates and perform firmware updates seamlessly across your network. Setup is straightforward. NM Tech provides a web flash tool, allowing you to flash or update firmware with ease. You can monitor performance via console. Wi-Fi and BLE connectivity make wireless management simple. The plug-and-play design minimizes the technical barriers for newcomers in the crypto mining space. In summary, the NMTV154 is a versatile and compact miner that doubles as a functional desk clock. Its combination of high-speed mining, energy efficiency, ease of setup, and stylish design makes it an intriguing gadget for both crypto enthusiasts and tech lovers. Whether you're exploring solo Bitcoin mining, collecting unique tech gadgets, or looking for a functional conversation piece, this little device offers more than meets the eye. That wraps up today's review of the NMTV154. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights here on Product Critique.